How to find your number on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you find your contact number on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, as you have to open WhatsApp application with your account. After you open WhatsApp application, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on settings. From settings section, tap on your profile name at the top, and from here you can simply find your phone number under the section phone number. After that, you can simply copy and send it to others, as you can also share your profile by using your QR code. For that, back from here, and from here simply tap on QR code. From here as well as you can share your WhatsApp contact. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.